How can you improve your traffic with one simple tweak or one simple method? That's what I want to share with you. Traffic, obviously, is super important. If you create a product and you don't get any eyeballs, little secret, you can't sell anything. I mean, we all know that, being smart. That's a big deal, right? And some people can get traffic, but they can't convert to a sale. And I've got another video that will show you exactly what we can do there. We want to focus on traffic though. So, what is one simple thing that we can do to get traffic? Let me address the biggest problem on why people don't get traffic. The one thing that I have seen over and over and over again is people are picking products that just don't get searched. So they come into this thing, well, I want to sell on Etsy. Okay, great. I'm going to go ahead and launch some products on Etsy. Great. But they don't do the validation. They don't see, are people actually searching for this? You can't just throw up a product and assume that people are searching for it. We're just wasting our time, or we could be wasting our time. You might get lucky. What I would say, and this is that simple little method that I want to share with you, is do your product research. All right. And what I would do first, the first thing that I would do is I would go ahead and I would be searching in that little search bar that Etsy gives us. We always look at that search bar as customers. We go in there, we type in something, and we are going to get the answer back. Well, let it auto suggest. That's number one. So type something in there, right? Maybe it's home decor, and then let it fill in. What's the top home decor search? Maybe it is home decor farmhouse, right? And then you're like, okay, cool. Now I've got some direction. Okay. We want to start there because that's the first place that the customer is going to start, is they're going to do the search. Once we've done the search and we've established a couple of these different, we call them long tail keywords. These are the keywords that people are using to search for these types of items. Then what we want to do is we want to find the ones that have high demand. So they're being searched for a lot. Okay. That's what that means. And then what we want to do is we want to create products that would be using those search terms. Let's say that you do have some products. As long as these products are related in some way to the products that you're also looking to sell that have high demand, these products in your shop that aren't getting any traffic right now, they're going to start to get traffic. And as long as they're aligned with those other products, I always tell people I like building product lines or product catalogs, because if I get someone into my shop, there's a good chance they might see my other stuff and want to buy one, even though it doesn't get searched a lot. So the little hack here, the little method, if you will, is to find products, even if it's 3 to 5 products, those are your traffic products. You want to have that search traffic coming into your shop and then having your shop catalog full of products that they potentially also would want to buy. It starts with, number one, understanding that you got to find products that people are searching for. That's number one. Number two, once you do that, you need to launch these products. You need to create your own version of these types of products. I don't mean copy, not at all. That's not what we're saying here. Create products that would be searched for using that same search term. So the example would be farmhouse home decor pillow, right? If that's the thing, I've got to create a pillow that is going to fall under that search. Now, of course, I'm going to want to see what style of pillow is selling for that search term right now. And then I'm going to want to draw inspiration off of that. And that's what I would go to the design stage with, and then launch the product. Then from there, traffic will most likely start to come in because now we have went after products that we know people are searching for. So that's one simple method that you can use to start getting traffic coming into your shop and lifting all of your other products that are in your shop from that product that has the demand.